Happy Sunday! Come with me to make some delicious overnight oats for the work week. This is a great and delicious breakfast to start your morning off with, and it's not too heavy or too light, and it'll have you full throughout the day. Let's go make it. Hey, happy Sunday. I hope all of you had a great Thanksgiving break, but now it's time to get back to work. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my overnight oats so that I can have for the work week. And let's go ahead and get to it. So first things first, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and grab my fruit. I have strawberries and blackberries. And of course, we do have to wash these off first because they come with a lot of bacteria and dirt. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I'm going to first start off by adding some water to it. And I'm going to pour some vinegar in there as well. That's about enough water. And I'm going to add baking soda to just kind of like get all that extra dirt and stuff up out of there. And I'm just going to mix all that in and let it sit, y'all. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. Y'all see all that dirt and stuff that's coming out already? Good. Make sure you always wash your fruit. We don't want to eat that stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add 1 cup of oats into each mason jar. 1 cup. I'll pour that in there. Next, I am going to add my protein shake. You can also use almond milk, low-fat milk, 1% milk, any type of milk that you like to go into your overnight oat jars. And I just pour that in evenly. And it's no specific amount that I use in mine. It's really according on how do you like your oats. Do you like it thick? Do you like it a little bit more on the drier side? It's really just up to you. I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And this is looking delicious already as we speak. Next, I'm going to add my ratio protein yogurt. This stuff is like heaven. I love this stuff. 25 grams of protein, and it will definitely keep you full throughout the day. So we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of this. And let's not forget this good stuff. This is Chia Seeds. It has 5 grams of protein, and it is a must try. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of this. Next, you're going to go in with your ground cinnamon. This is crunchy peanut butter, natural peanut butter, may I add, and it's the good stuff. If you do want to try this, don't be afraid about how the oil is separated from the actual peanut butter. It's okay. Just stir it up. Just to let you guys see, this is the oil separation that I was telling you about. It's perfectly normal. If you are not a fan of this, please just get you some peanut butter that you are familiar with that does not have this oil separation, and it'll work just as good. Now it's time to add our 100% unfiltered honey. This stuff is good as well. We're going to drizzle this on in here. No specific amount. Just drizzle that to your liking. We're going to go ahead and give that a stir. After our fruit has sat in this baking soda and the vinegar and water for about 15 minutes, do y'all see how dirty that water is? I'm sorry for putting my hands in it, but I'm not afraid of it. But it is dirty. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and just strain that and rinse it off. Oh, y'all see that? Disgusting. So we're just going to pour that in there. Pour that in there. That's a little bit of it that was left, y'all. And we're just going to rinse. Rinse these bad babies off. We'll be adding our peanut butter protein granola. As I told y'all earlier, I love me some peanut butter, and I had to get it in its flavor. And we just gonna do a tablespoon of this. Well, I'm gonna do extra because I love me some granola. I love that crunch. I love the flavor. I love the taste. I love all that. And I don't know if you guys can see it either, but it actually has like actual peanuts in it. So that's a good thing about that as well. Now it's time to add this juicy fruit. Looks like I have more blackberries than strawberries, but we're going to sprinkle that on top. Uh-oh. Sprinkle that on top. And I'm just dropping everything, huh? No specific amount on how many or how much fruit. You can have as much fruit that you want in here because it's fruit. It's not fattened. Have as much fruit as you like. I also like to top mine off with chopped walnuts. You can also use pecans as well, but I like walnuts, and this is what I'm going to use as well for one of the toppings. Just sprinkle that on there. Sprinkle that on top. Sprinkle as much as you like, your preference. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and use this whole bag up. Because this was a small bag anyway. Now going back in, I like to top this off with a little bit more ground cinnamon. And also that 100% unfiltered honey. And that is it, y'all. That's it. This is our overnight oats. We're going to let this sit in the refrigerator for about 6 hours and it's going to be ready to eat. Look at that. Y'all, this is going to be so good. This is our overnight oats. Let it sit in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. And this is breakfast. So this is our finished product. This looks so good. Of course, I can't eat this right now because it does have to sit overnight or at least for 6 hours in the refrigerator. But y'all, I just cannot wait until I get to this. This is gonna be so good tomorrow once I eat it. I want y'all to go try this recipe out and I really do hope you like it.